I'm a Mr. Puppet. I come from a show. I come from a show.
It's not always easy to know which sailing trip to take.
Hello, 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 hello. I'm saying hello, hello. This could be the puppets. And we could, oh, I sent to do this cheese.
Introduce us to your shapes.
Okay,
Your
then.
puppet men. Show us one at a time. Tell us who they are. Through the window, through the theatre window. Put the others down, and one at a time tell us who they are.
Mr. Rectangle.
Poke him through the window. Poke him through the window of the theatre. And say who they are. That's right. Hello, Mr. Rectangle.
Who's this one? Mr. Oval.
Hello, Mr. Oval.
And Mr. Star.
Hello, Mr. Star.
Mr. Diamond.
Where?
Here.
Hello, Mr. Diamond.
And this one is Mr. Oval.
You got two Mr. Ovals. I can't see his face.
Hello, Mr. Oval.
Hi, Mr. Oval.
And Mr. Triangle.
Hello, Mr. Triangle. Wow, I like your hat, Mr. Triangle.